Shapes in nature. When we look around, there are so many shapes we see in nature over and over again. Spheres. Spheres are created by uniform growth from a central point. They are a balance between inward and outward forces. A helix is a great way to bunch up long shapes, such as DNA, in a crowded place. The hexagon is an efficient design for packing identically shaped spaces together. A spiral shape allows objects to shrink themselves and not take up as much space. Branching splits shapes into smaller and smaller parts. Meanders are winding curves or bends, like you see in a river.